Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very exciting Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. So I have a very large Louis Vuitton bag and box to share with you. Before I get into the actual unboxing, I just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of information first. So I'm going to be unboxing a very special piece that I literally just picked up from the Louis Vuitton boutique. It is a My World Tour Neverfull MM. So if you don't know, the My World Tour is a customization service that Louis Vuitton offers where they have select handbags and accessories that you can customize. So this bag was especially made for me and is customized to my specs. I picked a few things on the bag and I'm going to share all of that with you as I unbox it. So this was very unexpected. I submitted the order for this bag about 4 weeks ago, but it was unexpected because this is actually a replacement item for a bag that I owned that was deemed defective, and I was issued a credit for that. So I'll talk a little bit about that later in the video after the unboxing, but I was given this credit and I had the opportunity to pick up something, and I really wanted to make it a very special purchase. So I decided to go ahead and do the My World Tour Neverfull, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's just get into this unboxing. So guys, big Louis Vuitton bag. Here is my receipt. I have a couple of receipts in here because I had to leave a deposit on this bag, and I had my cert credit that I was working with. So if you guys want some more details about the actual ordering process of My World Tour service, just let me know. So here's the box, guys, and as you know, it has a flip top. So let's open that up. Here is my bag in the dust bag, and it's a drawstring dust bag. So here is my World Tour Neverfull MM. It's stunning. So let me walk you through some of my specs really quickly. So first, as you can tell, I've got the treated black leather with red interior. And then these are the patches I went for. So I went for, of course, the Eiffel Tower Paris patch. Here is like a luggage tag. The luggage tag actually has my name on it. And this other LV stamp here. There were other stamps that you can opt for the back, but I chose to omit all those patches, and I have no patches or stamps on the back. The Neverfull comes with a pouch. So the pouch has the same patches. And this is a really nice pouch, guys. I've never owned a Neverfull, a new model Neverfull with the pouch, but this is a beautiful pouch. Actually, it's very nice, and it has another pocket in there. Of course, these are made in France. Let's get into the inside of my bag. Look at the red interior. This would attach to my, the D-ring here on my clutch. I actually may not attach it right away, but this is also in the black leather. A beautiful red interior. I mean, the interior is just stunning. Love it. I love the contrast of the monogram against the black leather as well. So there we have Louis Vuitton made in France, as well as the Louis Vuitton logo there. So unzipping the pocket, in there we have some cards. Let's have a look at this. The tag for my bag. I also have this My World Tour booklet. It talks about the personalization. So this says, this personalized Louis Vuitton article is now in your possession, is the work of our craftsmen and made to your precise specifications. It talks about personalization as well as the care guidelines. So the date code is SF3109. So that means that this bag was made in the 30th week of 2019. So this was made specifically for me in France, and that's just so special. One of the things I really love about Louis Vuitton, about the heritage, is its travel pieces, and I think this bag kind of embodies that, as far as having the patches on the bag. I could have gotten more patches to kind of demonstrate places I visited. I did want to keep it simple so that it would be a little more timeless or classic for me. I did not want to overload it with patches. That was just my personal preference. Wanted to show you lining there. Pretty lines up really nicely. So just a quick story time about how I got this bag. I received a call from Louis Vuitton a little over a month ago, and I was told that a bag that I had purchased, they have, obviously Louis Vuitton has your customer profile with history of all your purchases. So a previous bag that I had purchased had been recalled, and so at the time they're saying, well, we're offering all our customers who purchased that bag a credit for it. So I'm talking about the Neverfull MN ECAT. I had it, I believe, in the Indian Rose color. I will insert a picture so you guys can see it. That was a very special purchase for me because it was one of the few times that I ever purchased a limited edition piece. I have since owned the monogram, which that's not limited edition. The limited edition pieces are really sought after, exclusive pieces. There are only a few made. So that was a really special Neverfull for me. So I was given credit for the bag. I thought it would be very fitting to replace my Neverfull MN that I loved so dearly and unfortunately didn't work out, with another Neverfull MM, but one that's even more special as it would be made specifically for me. When this Neverfull initially launched, World Tour Neverfull, I think it was back in 2016, I absolutely loved it and adored it, and I've always had my eye on it. So it's interesting that I just kind of held out, and then Louis Vuitton calls and offers me this credit that will replace my other Neverfull. So it just kind of worked out and was almost like meant to be. So I'm very, very happy about that. I'm pleased with the outcome and that it all worked out. Honestly, like I said, that Neverfull MM was one of my favorite purchases ever because it was a limited edition purchase, and it's the only limited edition handbag that I've ever purchased. So it was a very special bag and item for me. So I'm very happy to have now replaced it with something even more special, as it's completely customized to my specs, what I wanted. The fact that this bag has my name on it is insane. I'm just soaking it in. If you're a collector of Louis Vuitton or you're into just having more unique pieces, I would definitely look into the Louis Vuitton My World Tour customization service, because it is a fun way to get a very classic piece with a very unique twist. That's it, guys. That's my unboxing reveal story time of how I got my World Tour Neverfull MM. If you're interested in learning more about my World Tour customization service and you want to hear my thoughts and experience with it, please give me a thumbs up so I know you're interested. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. If you have any questions or comments, as always, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.